Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your EA account to Twitch. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come across to your internet browser and you're going to want to put in ea.com, which takes you to the website. And what you want to do is come up to the top right hand side and click on this little person icon, and then it's going to ask you to sign in or create an account. So as we've already got an account, we're going to sign in. So we're just going to pop our details in, hit the sign in button, and then you're going to press finish. Amazing. Okay, and then what you're going to do is come up to the top right hand side again of your profile, and you're going to click on account settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down until you find the button that says connections and give that a click. And then as you can see, we've got lots of different things here, but we want to scroll down until we find Twitch. So once you find Twitch, you want to press on that link button there, and then you want to press send code. So it is now going to send you a code just to verify your identity. So once you've got that code, you want to fill it in, and then you want to click on the sign in button. It's then going to take you to Twitch, and then what you want to do is you want to sign in into your Twitch account, fill in your details, press the login button, and there you go, press link accounts, and then that is going to link those accounts for you. And as you can see here, we've then got the option that says unlink, which now shows you that both accounts have now been linked. And that is it. Really easy for you guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.